TOEFL Integrated Writing Task. Writing based on reading and listening. For this task, you'll read a passage about an academic topic. A clock at the top right of your screen will tell you how much time you have to read. You should take notes on the passage while you read. The passage will then be removed, and you will listen to a lecture on the same topic. As you listen, you should also take notes. You will be able to see the reading passage again when it is time for you to write. You may use your notes to help you answer the question. You will then be asked to write a response that asks you about the relationship between the lecture to which you just listened and the reading passage. Using information from the reading passage and the lecture, answer the question as completely as possible. Please note that this question does not ask you for your personal opinion. Your response will be judged on the quality of your writing and on the completeness and accuracy of the content. With every rose there are thorns, and beyond the silver lining of coal, oil, and natural gas, there are some definite drawbacks to these three energy sources. Burning coal emits harmful waste such as carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, sulfuric acids, arsenic, and ash. It also emits twice as much carbon dioxide when compared with natural gas to produce the same level of heat, which increases the levels of harmful greenhouse gases emitted into the Earth's atmosphere. Carbon dioxide emissions from the burning of fossil fuels now account for about 65% of the extra carbon dioxide in our atmosphere. The burning of coal by large-scale factories to power industry has led to acid rain in some regions. Coal mining can scar the landscape, and the equipment used for mining is large and noisy, which may affect local wildlife. Lastly, the mining industry can cause health difficulties for miners and fatalities due to the potentially dangerous nature of the work. Oil is a non-renewable energy source that takes millions of years to form, and therefore, once existing and any new reserves are depleted, there is no way to obtain more. While oil is relatively easy to transport, one of the more common transportation methods is shipping oil from port to port by supertanker. Massive purpose-built tanker ships capable of transporting enormous quantities of oil by sea. While spills are rare, they are by no means unheard of, and the resulting, inevitably catastrophic effect on marine life, birds, and coastlines is evident for many years. Burning oil generates carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, although to a slightly lesser extent than coal in terms of the energy extracted. Many of the countries where oil can be found are politically unstable. Around 70% of the world's oil reserves are believed to be located in the Middle East. Developed nations with an oil dependency have a vested interest in such countries and may seek to influence the politics of such countries to their own advantage. Natural gas is highly flammable, and many precautions have to be taken before using it. Pipelines to deliver the gas from the well to the site of use are very expensive. The pipelines need to be laid underground and checked for leakage, pilferage, etc. Thus, the maintenance cost of the pipelines becomes very expensive. In addition, critics point out that the extraction of natural gas leaves large craters within the earth, and while it may give off lesser carbon dioxide than coal or oil, it is nonetheless damaging the ecosystem. Read the question below. Use the remaining time indicated to plan and write your response. Your response will be judged on the quality of your writing, as well as how well your response presents the points in the lecture and the relationship to the reading passage. Typically, an effective response consists of 150 to 225 words. How does the information in the lecture contrast with the information in the reading passage? Pause the video to begin writing your response now.